So what's critical to us is that we are a tried and true and solid partner to our clients. But at the same time, we demand and expect the same level of support and partnerships from our supply chain, namely Domino, and we've gotten it. So my name is Andy Stabe, and I am the fourth generation owner of DWS. Our great-grandfather was one of the original principals. We think that that's pretty unusual to be in business that long and have maintained the family heritage. So our primary niche is in the craft beer and beverage and food markets. But we also cater to non-alcoholic, to the organic food space. Unlike some of the bigger guys, we can be responsive with shorter runs and quicker turnaround. We like it. That's really where our comfort zone is.
I'm John Galino. I'm the Senior Technical Director here at DWS Printing. We always like to be innovative. We want to be on the cutting edge. We didn't want to be a follower. So we vetted out every technology that was out there. During our vetting process, we had all the press manufacturers run all the same files on all the same material. We labeled independently each sample from each press manufacturer, gave the sales team the exact same samples on the same exact substrates, and asked them all for their opinion. And unanimously it came back to Domino. So once we decided on a Domino UV inkjet, we decided that hybrid was the way for us. Then came the decision on how we're going to build a hybrid press that's best for DWS. And that's when we decided on MPS. This is our MPS SYMJET powered by Domino. We have two flexo stations in front for printing UV ink. We have cold foil. We have the Domino N610i with 7 colors. We have two flexo stations in the back for printing UV ink. We have a turn bar for 2 printed side printing, lamination station. We have a semi and full rotary die cutting. And this is Felix, our lead pressman, all powered by one press console. Clients often come to us because we have our own in-house design team, are looking how we can make their labels better. One of our brewery clients wanted to put different dogs on all their beer labels, but they had no idea how to do that. We were able to show them how variable data can improve their selling ability. Without having the digital capabilities of Domino, we could not have done that with our traditional flexo or offset printing. So having the Domino hybrid technology has taken us to a completely different level. There's not many people that are doing what we can do or do it as well as we can do it, and Domino has been able to give us the technology and the quality to provide those to our clients.
We took it one step further. We wanted to keep sleeving in-house, and it was the digital technology that helped us get there, and it brings a solution to the table that the other guys just don't have. It's a game changer. All right, so one of the reasons why we got into digital printing in the first place was so that we could streamline the process. So the labels that you just saw hot off the press are going right into sleeving, thanks to my nephew TJ, Generation 5. They're getting applied right here in line, in-house. They go through a short conveyor system, and about 3 seconds later, we've got a finished pre-sleeved can. Nobody else is doing this. The bottom line, none of this would be possible without our hybrid press. How cool is that? Domino has been there right from the start to help us get through a learning curve, to understand digital, and to support us throughout the process. So it's been great.
Thanks, Domino.
Thanks, Domino.